with Glenn. Glenn's just bought a fabulous pre-owned Rolex watch. It's a Rolex GMT Master 1. Glenn, what do you think?
I think it's fantastic. Absolutely loved it. I bought it not knowing. I bought it last Saturday.
Last Saturday.
Yeah, not knowing whether it was going to come out on the advice of the great Archibald Chesterfield III.
So this watch here, I remember you texted me when I was doing a live with Clivers.
Yep.
And I just said buy it. I just said buy it. And you then proceeded to buy it. So that was on Saturday, wasn't it?
That was on Saturday. Yeah.
Saturday,
and just received it today before I saw you from FedEx.
Wow, so it's just came in. So this watch here, quite an interesting purchase. It came from a deal.
Yep.
And can we mention the price you paid, or?
Yeah.
It was, so that you bought this, how much was it?
7,400
Australian. So to you Americans, that's what, low sixes?
Low sixes, I'd say, yeah, low sixes.
Low sixes. Now this piece here, it's a GMT Master, it's the Master 1.
Master 1.
Master 1. So the reference number is 16700, is it? 16700. So the interesting thing is with this watch here, so it's an L serial number, which means it's the same age as my 1016 Explorer 1 that I used to have. But this piece here itself, you managed to, this is completely amazing, you've got the original bezel insert.
Yes.
And you told a story that the dealer managed to put on a real butchered black dial insert
so
that you could keep the original without having to surrender it to Rolex.
Yes.
And he's got a new bezel insert fitted to the watch, a new, which is absolutely amazing. What can I say? This is absolutely amazing. So this is, you're seeing this live on the Archie Luxury channel here itself. This is it's box. You don't have papers, is that correct?
That's correct.
It's boxed example. Box example, and you've got booklets. Booklets. Let's have a look here. You've got the usual, the leather wallet and the Your Oyster booklet. Very cool. Very cool.
Got
now
the outer box.
The thing is, oh, got the outer box as well. Jesus Christ, this is a very big premium you could ask for that. Now the thing is, tell me this, you had no idea that Baselworld was going to re-release the Pepsi. Did you have any idea?
No idea.
Did you have inside knowledge?
No, I love quirky Rolexes. I have this, of course. I have a current Oyster 36.
Yes.
I have a Cellini Prince. And
yes.
I also have an Oyster Quartz 17014. And I just thought, I really love this on the bracelet. This was even before I saw the videos and knew everything.
Yep.
Bang, I just wanted it.
And how did you feel when you were buying it and it was on a Jubilee instead of the Oyster?
No, that's what I wanted.
You wanted a Jubilee?
Yes, I wanted a Jubilee.
Wow. And this is really best of... So this is a sapphire crystal. It's a Holes case, so you can easily put NATOs and straps and this and that all on it. It's got the bracelet's actually in pretty good nick. I don't clasp
it's not too much
nice.
stretch at all.
It's pretty good. I'd be proud of that. And tell me this, you must feel like a winner chicken dinner.
Absolutely.
When you saw, no, you actually saw Baselworld. You saw the...
Last night.
When did you find out? Last night?
Last night.
Okay. So when it was hitting live, what were you thinking? Shit!
Oh, fantastic. But at the same time, it didn't bother me.
Okay.
I just loved the watch. I really do.
Yep. I see what you're saying. Now the dial on it it's a non-service dial. It's original.
It's original dial.
Original hands.
Crown, everything.
Everything's original.
Bracelet.
Now, would you? The question is, right? Would you take $10,000 for it now?
No.
15?
No.
Nothing. You
No.
love it.
I love it.
Wow. And
see, the problem is if I take 15,
yep.
What am I going to buy? I could
What are you
buy
gonna
a new
buy?
one, but I probably can't get a new one.
Okie dokie. So this honestly is the lotto win of life.
Yes, absolutely.
You've been good. You have a faith in God, which is you have a faith in God.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Don't
there you
know
go.
who though.
Don't know who, but there we go. This is an amazing story on a GMT Pepsi. You contacted me on the weekend. I said buy it.
Yep.
You paid the money.
Yep.
And sure enough, it's turned up the day before Basil's last night. Today you pick it up from FedEx. You actually went out to FedEx, picked it up. How do you feel? Winner, chicken dinner?
9-piece food.
We're having Chinese tonight.
No, KFC.
So I gotta tell you, I'm very, very, very impressed, and my little my Explorer 2 would like to just say hello to yours there. He just wants to say hello.
And my number one wants to say hello to my number two.
Your number one wants to say hello, and it's the Batman. No. There we go. Look at that. That's how's that for a 3-piece combo meal deal? GMT Master, Explorer 2, and a Batman. What a 3-piece combo deal. Meal deal, hey? What a combo deal indeed. It's, I gotta tell you, I think you've made probably $3,000 to $4,000 just overnight. And everyone says, you know, the market's too saturated, there's no money in Rolex. I think you've hit the jackpot, but you're not selling. It's not about the money, it's the passion. It's the passion, isn't it? That's what it is, isn't it? You love your watches, and you really, I don't know what I can say there. You've really hit the jackpot. This is the jackpot of noodles.
Absolutely.
You're going to have, this is the combo meal deal. And what more could you want? What more could you really want in life? Wowzers, that's, I'm just so impressed. What's your opinion? Do you love it?
I'll absolutely love it. I think it's spectacular. I think Rolex really hit it well this year. I love the Tudor also.
Would you be inclined, now that you got the GMT, would you be inclined to get a Tudor Black Bay GMT to match this as a combo meal deal? The 2-piece combo Pepsi deal! 2-piece Pepsi deal!
I really like it, but I'd rather I haven't got a diver yet.
You haven't got a diver?
I haven't got a diver, so I'd rather put it towards a Rolex diver or a Rolex chronograph.
Absolutely amazing, and thank you for sharing it on the Archie Luxury channel. This is the Rolex GMT Pepsi Original. There we go. Thank you, boys.
Okay.